Let's see. We're gonna film it. So we got a bird that ain't figured. He been in here for like 4 hours. He can't understand how to get out of a garage door. I tried lowering it and raising it to see if he could figure out that there's a hole on the top and the bottom, but he's still not smart enough for that. So I'm gonna catch him with a net. Passing the phone off to the cameraman. Since he don't want to let me catch him, I tried catching him. I might have to show a video from footage from that camera. I tried catching him with the door open. I didn't do a very good job. I had him in the net at one point. So. Come on, birdie. Oh, he got me. I switched net. I switched sides of the net.
Oh, you hit him.
It's alright. He's okay. There we go. Get in the net. There you go. Stay in it. Stay in it. Stay in it. Ah!
Ah, he flew out.
I'm trying to get him because he's gonna die in here of dehydration, and we're gonna get him out of here. I don't even know what kind of bird that is. He's got like a cool looking thing on top of his head. Oh. Alright. I should have. I'm trying to do it without hurting him. I might have to get a bigger net, fishing net, but this one, I was hoping I could give him the bottom and I could grab it like this and keep him in there. That's the plan. And then open the door and let him outside. Oh, I don't want to swoop at him. I don't want to hit him again. Alright, let's see if I can get him to fly in the net. Whoa. Oh, got it. Ah! He keeps landing on the front side of it. If I can get him in the bottom part, I can grab it like this. Where'd he go?
He went somewhere over there.
Oh, he's on the ground now? Oh, yeah.
That lizard on the...
Oh, yeah. Here, birdie. Beep, beep, beep.
Right there.
He's getting hard.
Yeah. Oh.
I got him.
You got him.
He's caught.
Yep, caught him.
Got him. All right.
Okay, he's in the net. You want me to open the garage door?
Yep. Big bird. You want that? Alright, we'll let him in the backyard.
Oh, see him.
Away from the garage so he's warned them hopefully. Don't fly away.
Yeah.
Here you go, birdie. Bye, birdie.
Here he goes.
Hope he's not hurt.
You got a fire?
Yeah, I was burning some branches that I pulled off the side of the house.
Cool. You want me to stop rolling?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, look. Oh yeah, there he goes. Bye bye,
Yep.
birdie. Bonus footage. We walk outside and got a sapon hanging outside. He might have been in that fire pit over there when I lit a fire on fire. Some old branches and stuff that I cut down from the side of the house. And next thing you know, we come outside and he's out here hanging out.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, I guess I should try to catch him and put him in that field. Let's do that. We done caught a all right.
Looks like...
Come on. Get in there. There you go. Caught him. We like the crocodile hunter up in here, up in Westminster Heights. There you go, Sapon. A whole field for you to catch mice. Well, there he goes.
There you go.